Today we're working on another part of our Mother's Day card, a little bird scene here. We've got two bird heads and they're just big loops. One kind of leaning over, one leaning into that. And this line just loops around, comes underneath there. And this kind of loops around like a road, going from small to bigger, just carefully increasing that distance there. And then we turn that into our wing. And we're going to connect right up kind of in line here. Bring our other wing down. Got baby bird's wings. And then we got our little tail feathers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those a little deeper. Mom's got her tail feathers. And they're both sitting, the rest of Mom's body there, and they're both kind of sitting on a branch. It's going to come right in here where their feet would be. Boom. Bring it across. Come up. Bring those branches, just getting a little thicker. Going twiggy to branch to limb. Maybe there's a little mountain scene going on here. A lake at the bottom of the mountains. New moon. That's a little better on the new moon. The background's really up to you. It gives you a start on a nice little bird scene.